My name's Travis Turner. I'm an applications director, and I serve as a subject matter expert on heavy industrial welding and assembly. I think Invio Automation's Factory of the Future team is really well set up to help companies evaluate the right way to deploy capital in the next 5 years. When you look at other alternatives, right, if you come to us or to any integrator with a very well-defined scope of work, we're going to give you a solution to a well-defined scope of work. If you come to an integrator with a really undefined scope of work, you're going to get apples and oranges and elephants as a solution back, and you're not really going to know which one is the best fit for your team. Engaging with our Factory of the Future team allows you to kind of have an open dialogue about what the best way is, but then come back to the solution set with some data on why you should go down one path or the other. Common challenges are timelines and budgets. Lots of people have a good imagination, but fitting that in an achievable timeline and an achievable budget's always the challenge. And that's where I think drawing on the thousands and thousands of projects that Invio's done in the last couple decades really helps you optimize the solution and make that ROI possible. Going above and beyond for clients is the expectation for Invio. It's our expectation that a customer comes out of a relationship thinking, I can't believe we could have done that without them. So that is meeting expectations for us when the customer thinks we've gone above and beyond.